Soalan 1. Okay, soalan 1 ya. The variables x and y are related by the equation given. Okay, lepas tu dia nak such that the p and q are constants. Okay, diagram 1 shows the straight line graph obtained by putting the relation from the equation. Okay, so sekarang ni, okay, dia nak, okay, diberi kecerunan, dia dah bagi dah. Our gradient for the graph is P, okay, and then express Y in term of X. So selalunya kalau kita buat soalan macam ni, dia dah bagi dah dia dah bagi our Y axis and X axis, tapi sekarang tak ada. But the reference is the gradient of the straight line. Okay, this is our non-linear equation. Okay, we have to change or we have to convert to linear equation regarding to the gradient of the straight line. The gradient is P. Okay, so that we have to singlekan P. Okay, express P. Alright, then, okay, so we have to, that mean our gradient is P. Macam ni lah yang cikgu tunjuk dekat sini. So, we have to change p x square tu becomes p only. So we have to eliminate x square beside the p. Alright. So, okay, kalau cikgu susun dulu y equal y dulu kat sebelah kiri. And then, macam mana ni kita nak hilangkan p ni kan? Okay. So, selalunya kalau kita divide x square ke, kalau kita divide x square, qx ni akan jadi q over x. Okay, so tak boleh lah sebab c, value c tak boleh ada x kan. So, cikgu divide by x. Okay, so divide by x. Okay, kita dapat sini. So, okay, kita nampak dah. Okay, so betul lah, our x axis is x kecil ni. Betul dah betul dah ni. Okay, so from this equation, okay, our y axis is, okay, y over x. Okay, selesai ya? Okay, seterusnya, a point 2, 1 over 5 lies on the straight line graph. Express q in term of p. Okay, express q in term of p. That means q is single and positive. Alright, so sekarang kita dah dapat. Okay, kita dapat bentuk begini. Okay, we have to express q. So, kita substitute di coordinate. Okay. Okay, ni cikgu cakap tadi lah, express q must be positive and single. Okay, so we have to substitute the value of 2 and 1 over 5 to the linear equation. So, jangan lupa 1 over 5 is y over x. Kat sini. Alright, our x is here. Okay, and then expand, hati-hati. Okay, we have to express q in term of p. That means we bring 2p to the left hand side. Okay, and then cikgu suka bila express q tu, cikgu suka q in our left hand side. So cikgu tukar sahaja kedudukan dia. Yes, Zah. Selamat, Zaz. Soalan 2. Zaz.